Okay, this is hardened overnight or cured overnight. It's still not 100% cured. Concrete takes years. But I'm ready to clean it off now and get it looking much more like that. So the first thing I do is sweep it, because sweeping will take off a bunch of this light stuff. Just put a mask on, sweep it off gently. Or just sweep it, period. You don't have to be too gentle. And then I next go along the edges with my little scraper here and kind of scrape it even, because there's some spots that will not sweep off, and just kind of get it even. But you'll kind of be careful, because you don't want to go into the other area either. You don't want to, you don't want to gouge into that, because that's not super hard yet. And then I'll do another sweep. Now I see there's a little hole right there, so I'm going to mix up a little bit of mortar and do that. I usually don't get that, but right here I did. So I'll get that too. Oh, and I see another spot over there. So that's okay, just a little bit of mortar and I can get those spots. And maybe I'll even do that before I sweep it. Well, it doesn't really matter. I'll be able to get that. And then that's about all I'll do. They'll look much better, and then we'll just let them cure more. Okay, I'm ready to clear off some more area after I do this, and we'll continue the flooring.